In this video, we're giving you a sneak peek at a brand new layout for the theme builder that we're going to add into the Divi layout memberships. Right, so we're here in the back end of WordPress. We're going to walk you through a little bit of the site and kind of the way things are set up. First things first, let's actually show you what this looks like. You know, here on the home page, something simple. You've got a little header, a big tagline, and then our latest blogs here. Down here, we're going to add in a little bit of content. You can see before we go live, we've got a little bit of work left to do, but we wanted to put this sneak peek together for you and for our community. This will link directly into the services page. We're going to add in the layout for testimonials, and you've got the Hire Us button. So when we go back up to the top, you go into work. Work is going to be the portfolio. This is where your posts are going to be. This is where your projects can be. And we've got a very simple layout. Just a grid, and you can click into this and go directly into the post. We've got a nice big full screen header. You can jump down here and go directly into the post. The post content is going to be managed inside of Gutenberg. Very clean, very simple. The services page has a little graphic up top and then a grid for services. These are all editable inside of the Visual Builder. Just simply click in it, type away and change. You can duplicate rows to create more. If you've got 12 services, you can delete a row to get rid of them. If you've only got the 3, you can actually break these columns down into 2s. You can do a lot of different things. You can take this as a starting point and make it your own. And then there's the Hire Us page. So if you click on this, it's going to take you to like the contact page and pick your services, and you can edit all of this. This is a Divi contact form. The big thing about these layouts is that we wanted it to be everything encompassing of what comes in the core package of Divi. So if you've got Divi, you're in a good spot. All you've got to do is import the theme builder and everything will work. So we're going to show you real quickly how to do that. If you have your new Divi installation, it's got to be, well, ideally you'd want something that has no custom CSS and no previous layouts inside of it, but you would go over to Divi, go into Theme Builder, and then the file that you would download when you sign up for the Divi Layouts memberships, you would have that JSON file, and you'll come over here to Portability, select Import, and then you would choose the file and make sure these stay. Allow import to override existing assignments and override the default website template. That will drop this layout into your site. You would hit Save Changes, and then things would mostly be together. All of these categories would be dropped in. The only differences would be if what posts you have, those would not import, which we actually will include an export of our posts here, just as some examples if you're starting from scratch. It's always nice to have a little bit of a jump start on some of these layouts. So we'll add that in as well as a separate file. That would just be done under Tools. You go to Import, and you'd use the regular WordPress importer. You'd install, and then you'd go through the import file, and it'll import the posts, the pages, and everything that we have, the categories and all of that would have come with this layout. So we'll make sure to include that in the zip file from the layout membership inside of our membership at Key Linear Media. Once you're done, your site would look exactly like this. And then you can go into the theme builder itself and make any adjustments. So down here at Divi, go to the theme builder, and if you needed to change the social media links at the top, you could go under the global header, make the adjustments. So over here on the right, you're going to see when it comes up, it's going to have the social media icons here. You could click, go inside of the settings itself, and then we can duplicate. So if you need to do that, you can change it, add a new one in. So if it's going to be LinkedIn, just change it to LinkedIn. Adjust the link here for the account, and you're good to go. We'll hit save over here. And one thing I do want to show you real quick inside of this header is, let's see, unshow the disabled. And then I want to show you how this header actually transitions as we go down. So when we go to a tablet, we've created a little bit of custom code here and changed up the menu. So it looks a little different than the normal Divi, but this is kind of what we built. We wanted to do something a little bit special, something a little custom coded for this layout pack. So we hope you enjoy it. We really hope that this gives you a little incentive to come in, join the membership, and see what we've got next. I mean, there's a lot coming. We look forward to hearing your feedback on these layouts. We hope you have an awesome day. We'll see you in the next video.